In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create shortcuts to Google Drive folders. By the end, you'll know how to place quick links to important folders exactly where you need them without moving or duplicating any files. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're on the Drive homepage. You'll see your files and folders laid out as usual. Find the folder you want to reach more quickly in the future. Shortcuts are perfect for a frequently used project folder, a shared folder you didn't create, or anything buried a few levels deep. Select that folder to highlight it. Now look for the More Actions menu, the 3 vertical dots. You can also right-click the folder if you prefer. Both paths open the same options. From there, choose Organize. This is where you'll find the option to add a shortcut rather than moving the folder. Be sure you select Add Shortcut, not Move. Move changes the folder's actual location, while a shortcut simply creates a pointer to it, keeping the original exactly where it is. When you click Add Shortcut, a location window appears. This is the place where you decide where your shortcut should live. Choose My Drive if you want the shortcut in your main drive area, or pick another spot that makes sense for your workflow. If you don't immediately see the exact destination, open the All Locations view to browse your drive structure. Navigate through folders until you're in the location where the shortcut should go. If your intended spot is My Drive itself, select My Drive to confirm that choice. Once you've landed on the target location, click Add to Finalize. Drive will place a shortcut there with a small arrow badge on the folder icon, so it's easy to recognize. The shortcut opens the same content and respects the same permissions as the original folder, which means you won't duplicate files or take up extra storage. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. If you plan to use the shortcut daily, star it so it appears understarred for faster access. You can rename the shortcut without changing the original folder's name, which is helpful if you want a shorter or clearer label in your workspace. If the folder lives in a shared drive or belongs to someone else, shortcuts are especially useful because you can place them in your own My Drive while the source stays under its original owner. And if you ever no longer need the shortcut, removing it won't affect the original folder or its content. That's it. Clean, quick navigation in just a few clicks.